AI should not be seen for the way it is right now, it's in its infancy. A time will come when both the rider and the horse will be AI. It's not just the rider that's not far away. Maybe 15 years, 25 years. And about, can we manage this? See, every time a new technology comes, always everybody thought that's going to rule everything. But we made laws, understood the norms and tried to adjust ourselves. The issue or the possibility of AI is, it moves so rapidly, no legislature will move fast enough. No social structure will move fast enough to make any corrections. Not even no individual human being may move fast enough to adapt to that. It will move that rapidly. Once it starts writing its own language, both the horse and the rider will be AI. So will it go out of control and do something? See, every technology has caused some harm to us and brought some benefit to us. This is the same thing. Maybe because it happened so rapidly, within the span of few years, people are a bit terrified about it. Things have happened to us. Somebody invented a coal engine, we've all inhaled this smoke and millions have died. You and me are sitting here, so we think coal engine is okay, but millions died. So similarly, this will also do things. Every technology does that. It's just that it allows you enough time. This one won't you allow time. In your lifetime, it may change significantly, 10 to 20 times in one generation's time. So, that is the alarm bell, but I feel new possibilities cannot be stopped. Those who are agile will ride it, those who are not will be crushed by it. That's about the way everything has happened. But here it looks more cruel because in our own lifetime, within few years it's going to happen, or months it can happen, that's the thing. About who will be replaced by AI? Not me for sure. So I'm welcoming this because this may wipe out all the pundits, priests, anybody who reads 10 books, assimilates and finds expression to that information. Data, process and expression, all those will be wiped out and it's a damn good thing. Because we've been running the world like this, if you read 3 books, you become a school teacher and mess up the next generation. If you read 10 books, you become a professor and bore the hell out of people. If you read 1 book, you become an agent of God. This needs to stop somewhere, hello? You just read 1 book and you become God's agent. I think this needs to stop. You want to read that 1 book, AI will give you 10 versions of the same book, okay? I think it's very good. Not me because I didn't read anything, I'm okay. And if they replace me, I'm so happy. I'm waiting for that.
Thank you so much, Sadhguruji, for your reassurance that you cannot be replaced.
People ask me, Sadhguru, what's your dream? I said, I would like to be unemployed.